download Zoom. Open Safari, and in the address bar at the top of your screen, type in zoom.com/download. Oops, spell it correct. Then press the return or enter key on your keyboard to go to that website. Once there, click on the blue download button under Zoom Client for Meetings. It will take a few moments for Zoom to download, but you can find it under the arrow in the top right corner of your screen. Double-click on that package icon. This will open the Zoom installer. Click on Continue, and then click Install. It will ask for your fingerprint or for your password. This is your computer password that you use to restart your computer if you are powering it off. It might also be called your admin password or your user password, your Mac password. It's the password for your whole computer. After it's finished installing, you can click the blue Close button, and then you can choose Move to Trash. This is just moving the installation software into the trash. You can close your Safari window, and Zoom will open. Now, I already have an account, so it's logged me in automatically, but you'll probably see just this window, join a meeting or sign in. You don't need to do anything else right here. The next step is going to be to join the meeting when it's time for the meeting to start, and you'll do that by clicking on a link in an email that's sent to you. I'll describe that next. Here's how to update Zoom. First, we'll open the Zoom app. You may see a message like this asking you to join a meeting or sign in, or you may already be signed in. Either way, click on the word zoom.us in the top left corner of your screen up near the Apple logo. Then click on Check for Updates. If an update is available, this is the message that will appear, and you can click the blue Update button. We'll wait for the loading bar to complete loading. And then we'll click Install. Now we'll click Continue, and then Continue again, and then Install. Here it will ask for either your fingerprint or your computer's password. It wants the password that you use to log into your computer. So if you restart your machine, it will ask you for this password. You may have it written down as the admin password, your Mac password, your computer user password. Once you've entered that in, you can wait for the next loading bars to complete, and then click on Close. And that's it. You've successfully updated Zoom. To join a Zoom meeting, locate the link in an email that was sent to you. The link will begin with HTTPS. Click on the link to open the Zoom app, and if you see this message, click Allow. The Zoom app will open, and you may be asked if you want to join with computer audio. You do, but you could also click on this little square down in the bottom left-hand corner so that you're automatically joining meetings using the computer audio and it doesn't continue to ask this every time. Click on Join with Computer Audio, and you've now entered the call. Here are some tips for using Zoom. When you're on a Zoom call, you can mute your audio by clicking the mute button in the bottom left corner of the screen. You can stop your video by clicking on the Stop Video button in the bottom left-hand corner as well. To start your video and to unmute yourself, you click those same buttons that now say Unmute and Start Video. There are two different ways you can view the video of other participants during a Zoom call. To switch between these views, click on the View button in the top right corner of your screen. From there, you can choose between the speaker view and the gallery view. Speaker view shows a single large video of the person who's currently speaking, plus a few small videos of other participants along the top. Gallery view shows smaller videos of more participants. Please make sure that Zoom is displaying your correct name in the participants list. That way we can all identify you correctly. To do this, you can click on the Participants button at the bottom of your screen. Then, as the side panel for participants appears, you can bring your cursor over your name and look for the blue More button. Then click Rename, type in the correct name, and click on the Rename button to save it. You only need to do this if Zoom is displaying an incorrect username for you. To submit a question to the presenter, you can use the chat function. The chat button is at the bottom of your screen. Now, if you want to hide the participants panel first, you can click that participants button again to get rid of that side panel. Then you can click chat. To send a message, go to the very bottom of this window and click where it says type message here. Type your message and then choose who you want to send this message to. It may by default select everyone, which is what you can see down here. If you want to send a private message to someone, click on that button for everyone and change to a different person to send a private direct message. To send your message, press the return or enter key on the keyboard. There, your message is sent.